So, of course, from a negotiation perspective, the big problem here is a problem that happens so often in negotiations, which is that there's a lack of trust between the parties. Democrats are basically saying, evil Republicans, you are using the reputation of the United States to be a payer of bills as a hostage issue in this negotiation. And Republicans are saying, this is the only leverage we have. If we don't use it, we will never get a serious negotiation on budget cuts. So all of this brings us to the big question, right? What to do here? So here's where we're at. From a negotiation perspective, we are in the worst possible situation, like the nightmare situation, which is a game of chicken.